Welcome to my in-depth review of Planto, a personal finance app designed to help users take control of their financial lives. In this video, I'll walk you through the features, interface, and overall user experience of Planto, providing a comprehensive look at how it works and whether it lives up to its promises. Starting with the dashboard, Planto greets you with a clean, user-friendly interface. The home screen provides a snapshot of your current financial situation, including account balances, recent transactions, and an overview of your spending habits. The app links securely to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment portfolios, making it easy to consolidate all your financial data in one place. Point one of Planto's standout features is its automatic categorization of expenses. By using AI-driven algorithms, the app identifies where your money is going, breaking down spending into categories like food, transportation, and entertainment. You can also customize these categories to suit your specific needs. This is particularly helpful for those looking to identify unnecessary expenditures and optimize their budget. The budgeting tool is another highlight. You can set monthly spending limits for various categories, and Planto will notify you if you're nearing those limits. This real-time tracking is crucial for staying on top of your financial goals without needing to manually update spreadsheets or guess your remaining budget. Planto's financial planning feature helps users set and achieve specific goals, whether that's saving for a home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The app offers personalized suggestions based on your current financial situation, including how much to save monthly and how long it will take to reach your goal. The Insights and Analytics section provides valuable feedback on your financial health. It highlights trends over time, such as increasing savings or reducing debt, giving you a clearer picture of your progress. For more advanced users, Planto also offers investment tracking tools, letting you monitor your portfolio's performance without needing a separate app. Privacy and security are top-notch, with bank-grade encryption and regular security updates. For those concerned about data privacy, Planto assures users that their information is never shared with third parties without explicit consent. Overall, Planto aims to simplify personal finance management for both beginners and experienced users. The app's combination of ease of use, robust features, and insightful analytics makes it a strong contender in the personal finance space. However, it's worth noting that while Planto offers a free version, some advanced features are locked behind a premium subscription. If you're someone who struggles to keep track of your expenses or needs help setting financial goals, Planto could be a game changer. I've personally found it useful for identifying areas where I can cut back and improving my savings rate. Thanks for watching this review of Planto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and personal finance tips. Stay tuned for future content, and let me know in the comments if you tried Planto or have any questions about the app.